Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install angel eyes on your BMW E46. First off, I would recommend disconnecting your battery since you're gonna be working with wires. Start off by loosening the screw next to the turn signal to remove it. Unplug all the wire harnesses going to the headlight. Next up, you'll need to remove the headlight. There are a total 4 screws holding it in place, 2 on the top, 1 behind and 1 on the side. Remove the rubber seal on the headlight. Now you'll want to remove the lower bracket. If you don't have the headlight washers, you can remove it completely, or if you do have them, like in this case, it will extend out and you can remove the headlight. The glass on the headlight comes off by undoing the clips around it. Now remove the black plastic cover. Lead the angel eyes wires through the headlight. Add some double-sided tape to the back of the lights to help hold them in place. When the angel eyes are in place, you can put back the plastic cover and the headlight glass. Behind the headlight, put the angel eyes wires under the rubber seal. Now you can put back your headlight and turn signal. Next up, the wiring part. All the wires are coming from the relay. The red one is positive and connects to the battery's red wires. The black wire is neutral and connects to the car's body. We won't be needing the white wire. Now have a look where bulb lights get power from. And add the single wire from the relay to the black wire of your park lights. Then just connect your anti-lights and it should all work. So when your park lights get power, your relay turns on the anti-lights. Tuck away the wires under the rubber seals and you are all done. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below and consider subscribing for more future videos.